Welcome back to the channel, Warpath, Shop Màn Thầu. In today's video, we're not just talking about how to roll GREA bar. We're going deeper into how to optimize your resources, especially for F2P players. Because if you use your keys the wrong way, you will fall behind and never reach the important milestones. Understanding GREA bar. First, we need to understand something important. GREA bar is not just a random gacha event. It is a system designed to control how players spend resources over time. If you are a spender, you can simply push higher milestones. But if you are F2P, you need a strategy. And that strategy is all about managing your secure keys across multiple months. Part 2. Milestone Analysis. Let's look at the milestones. 10, 25, 45, 70, 100, 135, 175, 220, and 270. At first glance, they look very rewarding. But in reality, everything above 70 is not designed for F2P players. Why? Because your monthly resources are limited. If you try to push too high, you will burn all your keys. And next month, you will have nothing. So the correct mindset is not, how do I reach the highest milestone? But instead, how do I stay efficient every month? Part 3. Monthly Resources. Each month, you can get 30 secure keys from exchange, 5 free spins over 5 days, and 5 extra keys from the 25 milestone. That gives you around 40 secure keys per month. And this is your hard limit as an F2P player. Calendar month 1 setup phase. In the first month, you only go for milestone 25. Why? Because this is your setup phase. You spend 20 keys, plus 5 free spins, reach 25, and then stop immediately. This part is very important. You must stop. Because what really matters is not the reward, but the leftover keys. At the end, you will have 15 keys saved. Calendar month 2 optimization begins. In the second month, you now have 30 new keys, 5 free, 15 saved, 5 from milestone. That gives you 55 keys. Now, you go for milestone 45. After that, you will have 10 keys left. Calendar month 3 stabilizing. In month 3, you repeat the same logic. 30 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 equals 55 keys. You hit milestone 45 again. And now, you have 5 keys left. Calendar month 4 reset cycle. In month 4, you have exactly 45 keys. You spend them. And now your saved keys are gone. Which means you have completed 1 full cycle. From here, you simply repeat the cycle. 25, then 45, 45, 45. Then again, 25, 45, 45, 45. This ensures that you always stay efficient and never run out of resources. Now, let's talk about drop rates. If you've rolled GREA bar before, you already know the rates are very low. Most spins give you almost nothing. This is intentional. It's a gacha system designed to slow your progress. Which is why you should never rely on luck. Let's do some test spins. First free spin, nothing. 10 spins. Maybe 2 fragments. After that, nothing, nothing, still nothing. Exactly as expected. The drop rate is quite brutal. So in the end, GREA bar is not a place to go all in. It is a system that rewards patience and planning. If you follow this strategy, over time, you will outperform players who just roll randomly. Hopefully, this video helped you understand GREA bar better. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep strategy content. Good luck, and see you on the battlefield.